Alright guys, for the second part, we're going to add two very important program add-ons. So we're going to go to System, Programs. Now you can do this on any build. You want to get more. And we're going to look for easy advanced settings. So it's not there. And key map editor. Go ahead and install that. Once it installs, back up. Since we couldn't, so now we're going to go to add-on installer. And we're going to look for easy advanced settings. And here we are. Install that. Alright, once we install that, we need to get back up, set up key map editor. Edit key and hit the back button on your box, on your remote control, and you should get something like this. Back up, save it. Next, before we do anything with advanced settings, what you want to do is you want to go to System, and you're looking for System Information, and you want to get this number right there, free memory. That is your RAM. So what you want to do on that is you want to divide that number that you have by 2 and times that number by 1024, and then the number you get then times that one more time by 1024, and you should get a 9-digit number. Okay, once you have your 9-digit number, it's time to go ahead and go back to Programs, Add-ons, and look for Easy Advanced Settings. We're going to edit it. And the first thing we're going to do before we do any more stuff is Remote Function Controls. You want to do this one 50, and the repeat 800. Now I will give a source on my description, that way you know where I got all my information from. System files, packet size folder, 1100. Hit OK. Now you go to you would go to video playback here, and you would select video, and you would, let me see if I'm right. I think it's video. Oh, on the loop here, and you would make that an 8. But since we're not running a Fire Stick, just leave it as it is. Helps from overheating. So now we go down to network settings. Network settings again. I'm going to start with the reading buffer factor. And like I said before, description says to do 5. Buffer mode 2, because we're only doing what we're streaming. And catch size, the number you got earlier when you divided your 12 or whatever RAM you had. So as you can see, I wrote my number, you hit done, and all you do is backspace, 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 and you write it. And that right there should help you with buffering issues. The free RAM, it's going to help you. It's going to download in advance what you're watching to help from the buffering. And the last thing I do before I start enjoying this add-on is I will clean and wipe right before I use for the first time. Well, that was all. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I'm glad I could help. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer them all. And thanks again. And I'm Big Leo.